Welcome to the 100th Minisode Loud. Acapellas, Tuesday Truth. Today's Tuesday Truth is your life deserves restoration. You deserve restoration. I've peeled healing off my wounds before, just so I could love again, just so my body could bleed back into a heart that would never be mine, just so pain could see me back in its class learning the same lesson. I've made my wounds cry over and over again, made them swallow expired blood, made them believe that they will always have to live open and unsafe, made them feel like healing isn't supposed to last. And I still haven't apologized yet, because I still haven't allowed them to close. I still haven't allowed my life to fully grow back its skin. But I plan to, and I will, because my wounds deserve a testimony, and my life deserves restoration.